In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to a featured collection on Shopify. This is a great way to highlight specific items that you want to showcase on your online store, potentially boosting their visibility to your customers. Let's get started by diving into the Shopify interface. Begin by heading to the left-hand panel on your Shopify dashboard, where you'll find the Products section. Click on it, and then look for the Featured Collection option. If the featured collection already exists, you can go ahead and select it to start editing. However, if you don't see an existing featured collection, the next step is to create one from scratch. Simply click on Create Collection and give it the name Featured Collection. This will be the space where you'll gather and display the products you want to highlight. Once you're in the editing field for your collection, you'll notice options to further enhance your collection's appeal. You can add a description that tells customers what this collection is all about and why they should be interested. Furthermore, consider uploading an image that represents the collection. This can be anything from an attractive collage of the products to a branded visual that catches the eye of your audience. Now, let's move on to the crucial part, adding products to this collection. Look for the Products section within the editing field and hit the Browse button. This feature allows you to sift through all the products you have listed in your store. It's here that you can meticulously select the items you want to include in your featured collection. As you choose the products, think about what aligns best with your store's current marketing goals or seasonal themes. Once you've carefully added your selected products, it's time to ensure they're presented front and center on your homepage. Navigate to the Site Editor. Here, scroll through your homepage until you find the Featured Collection carousel. Clicking on it will open a right-hand panel. This panel is key. It offers the controls necessary to change the displayed collection. Select this panel to switch the current collection to the featured collection you've just created or set up. This update will automatically reflect on your homepage, showcasing your selected products in all their glory. And there you have it. Adding products to a featured collection on Shopify is as simple and effective as that. By curating a dedicated space for these items, you're enhancing their visibility, enticing shoppers, and perhaps even increasing sales. Thanks for following along, and happy selling on Shopify.